Namaste. I am Dr. Aditi Prabhu, naturopathy and yoga physician, also a stress management expert. Today I am here to talk about stress. In day to day life, people come across the word stress, which is often used to explain a negative situation. People think that stress is always bad for them, which is not true. Let me tell you what is stress. Stress is a body's response to a physical, mental, or emotional pressure. There are two types of stressors. One is eustress, the another one is distress. Let me explain you in detail. What is eustress? Eustress is also called positive stress. Have you heard anything like positive stress? Yes, that is eustress. Eustress has following characteristics. It motivates you, it focuses on energy, it excites you, it helps you to achieve your goal, it helps you to improve your performance. It is always pursued within your coping abilities. It is always a short term stress. What are the examples of eustress? Getting married, purchasing a house or car or whatever things that you have dreamt of, or getting a promotion in workplace, or moving to another city for a betterment of your life. So these are the examples of eustress, where which helps you to achieve your goal in life. In contrast, distress. Distress is always called negative stress, which has the following characteristics. It always causes anxiety or concern. It demotivates you. It is always unpleasant. It can be short term or long term. It is perceived as outside of our coping abilities. It can cause mental and physical ailments. Examples of distress: long term or suppressed emotions or unresolved emotional problems, death in the family or relationship issues, loss of a family member or someone close to you, or loss of job, legal issues, or divorce, so and so forth. These are the examples of distress. Now, what are the coping strategies? How you can come out of the stress, or what people do to come out of the stress? There are three types of coping strategies which people often follow. The first one is denial. You want to deny that you have a stress. You want to escape from the stressful situation. You want to run away from the stressful situation. For example, getting addicted to smoking or alcohol, going for watching movies, or going for shopping. All these things are denial strategies. So you want to give a pocket of happiness where you feel that, or you perceive that there is no stress, but when you come out of that time, out of that situation, again the stress is still there. So this is called denial strategy, which is not good. The second one is interpersonal. Try to share your problems or discuss your problem with others. Try to seek the help from others, or try to get guidance from others to solve your problem where you cannot solve by yourself. So this is called interpersonal. Either you talk to your parents or your spouse or your children or your friends or your colleagues. Try to find the help wherever you can. That is interpersonal, which is always a good coping strategy. The third one is problem solving. Try to find a solution for the problem by yourself. Sit and think, plan for the solutions. Go for plan A, B, C. If A doesn't work, go for B. B doesn't work, go for C. Try to sit and work on it. Don't run away from the situation. So this is also a good coping strategy, problem solving. So denial, interpersonal, and problem solving. Don't go for denial strategy. Either go for interpersonal or problem solving. So always stress cannot be bad for body all the time. So there are good stress and bad stress as well. So try to have as much as good stress and try to come out of bad stress all the time, and don't allow the stress or long term stress to invite diseases to your body, which is called psychosomatic. Because of the stress or the because of the mind getting stressed, body can get the ailment. So that is called psychosomatic disorders. and most of the lifestyle disorders are psychosomatic. So don't allow the stress to get some diseases to your body. So always stay out of the stress, or try to come out of the stress and have a stress free life. Stay healthy, stay happy all the time, and make others also happy. Stay active and stay fit. Thank you.